We are starting a next video of directing chapter, video number 2, in which we are studying about the features of directing. There are several features while we are involved in the directing. There are several features. First is telling people what to do. It refers to the directing, instructing, directing, initiate action. While the telling people what to do, it means they are creating an action in the organization. What perform they are to be, what work in which they are appointed by the senior. When the work is appointed by the senior, they are taking their best efforts to complete that particular task, that is directing, initiate action. While other function prepare as base of setting of action, while there are several functions, so they are prepare the base for directing. How action has to be created on the directing, initiate or start action. While we are giving a instruction directing, initiate action, what task the workers perform in their job position, they know and they work on that, completing that particular task. By giving direction or action, the manager get the work started in the organization. While the manager give the task in the organization, they perform the task according to the direction given by the managers or seniors. The next is the continuing function. Directing is a continuing function because for completing every task, the seniors give the other work to their subordinates. So directing is a never-ending process. So directing is a continuous process. A manager cannot just rest after issuing orders and instruction. He guide, motivate the subordinates to perform the task while they are completing one task. For other tasks they have to be given. So it is a continuous process or a never-ending process up to when the organization can be run. The next is directing take place at every level. There are mainly three levels: in the top level, middle level and the lower level are there in the organizational structure hierarchy. So the directing is take place in every level of the organization. So in every level directing is there. Directing is a pervasive function. It means directing is present everywhere as it is performed by the managers at every level and in all locations. So the workers can perform their task in each and every level in the best and the efficient manner with the help of the directing. So this is the importance of the directing. The next step is directing flow from top to bottom. It is a work while every senior give the task to their subordinates. So it can be a directing flow from top to lower. So senior give the task to their subordinates. So directing are given by the managers to their subordinates. Every manager can direct his immediate subordinates and work with the immediate subordinate. While the immediate subordinates complete the task, he return back to their seniors. So the directing flow from top to bottom. The next is performance oriented. Directing is a performance oriented work. While we are after the planning, we are work according to the plan and give the direction to the workers. They are to be performed in their job position. So directing function direct the performance of individual towards achieving the organizational goal. So this is performance oriented. The next is the human element. Directing element is in an organization. It is a human element where the number of human beings are work. So the seniors are also be human and the subordinates are also be human. They are instructing their subordinates to work them. So it is a human activity. Directing function involves study and molding of human behavior. Directing molds the human behavior towards achieving the organizational goal. Thank you and have a nice day.